start.
दोस्तों गुड इवनिंग। मैं अर्जुन कुमार देवास मध्य प्रदेश से। आज के इंग्लिश वेबिनार में आपका सभी का तहे दिल से स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज से हमारी कंपनी का एक और नया स्टार्टअप हो रहा है वेबिनार के थ्रू कि अभी तक कंपनी मराठी में, उड़िया में, मीन्स उड़ीसा लैंग्वेज में और हिंदी में आ रहा था, लेकिन आज से आपको इंग्लिश की फैसिलिटी भी यहाँ पे मिलने वाली है। तो दोस्तों आप एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी के बारे में आज जानने वाले हैं, है ना, और कि जो कि आपको बहुत कम सुनने को मिला होगा, लेकिन आज आपको पूरा का पूरा यहाँ पे लाइव देखने को मिलेगा। तो चलिए दोस्तों आज के इस वेबिनार की हम शुरुआत करते हैं और मैं स्पेशली सीएमडी सर को थैंक्स बोलूंगा कि आज वो हमारे इस वेबिनार में, ऐसे तो सर वीकली हमारे सामने आते हैं, हमारे साथ आकर पूरा का पूरा प्रेजेंटेशन के साथ में पूरा का पूरा लाइव हमको दिखाते हैं, लेकिन आज हम सर से कुछ स्पेशल इंग्लिश एडिशन में भी हम आज सर से इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में भी सर से आज प्लान की पूरी जानकारी लेने वाले हैं। तो थैंक यू सो मच सर, और मैं सर को स्वागत करूंगा। वेलकम टू ट्रेवल्स एंड मोर सर।
Welcome Arjun ji. Very good evening.
Very good evening sir. Yes,
Thank you. Let's start all of you. So today Travels and More with English presentation. A lot of demand was there from South India because the communication was a big issue, because we are mostly of taking from last 9 months we are taking in English and Hindi language. So I decided to take one presentation in English. So let's start with Travels and More. Exactly the concept designed by me last 1 year is that it's completely a travel package where the people will travel and earn. It is the fantastic opportunity where you can see the live website here, and my completely background, what I've started from last 20 years. I was based in online network marketing with direct sales, and apart from that I was also in a digital marketing concept from last 6 years. So you'll get what is the experience I have got from that. I've started last year before lockdown this concept with Travels and More, where I can reach to each and every person who can start with the digital marketing, because every person has got an Android mobile, which is now a money making machine, we can say. So I started with concept, and the product and services was like a travels holiday package, where you can see in hotels the person who stay with the family and friends every year with different kinds of hotels, tourist places, and in all places. So we are the 101 destination, you can say, where which I have made it customized in my own way. Like the person, if joined with this system, he will get the holiday package, and also he'll get a chance to earn seriously. Okay, so let's go with this system. Before starting with the Travels and More, I will just introduce you with the support system that I have made for Travels and More, because it is very important. If you have a direct touch with the support system, direct touch with the company's management, with the support team, then it is easily to contact, to field work, anything, the queries or issue you raise, it will be contacted with the director. First, I'll introduce you with the WhatsApp. Yes, you will get a WhatsApp. You will be added in the official group of the WhatsApp support team. Here, support team will be adding more and more lady updates. Now you can see here the 633 counter had just joined from Mumbai, the Shivendra Phatak. So we have just welcomed him. So we welcome each and every member in this WhatsApp official group. Second, I will just introduce you with the YouTube channel. We have our Travels and More own YouTube channel. Where you can see my last all webinar recordings with Hindi language, with Marathi language, and also Odisha language, just started by Swarup Jaina from Odisha. So you can see here lots of webinars. Also, if you want to understand the presentation, plan presentation, so first video, you can see here a first video. It is a 10 minutes plan presentation where you can understand completely concept of Travels and More. Now I will introduce one more support system, which is very nice. It is a Telegram. You can see here, we have got Telegram group here where 186 members already who have joined here. You can see the past performance of Travels and More from the start of the company, where the company has started. Also, you can see here a channel where the company updated all the daily updates, and you can see here. Now let's go to the again to the website. I'll just make sure. Yeah, this is our Travels and More website. We have a tab with Just Dial for traditional holiday packages. So we have got this 1-year contract, and you can see here all 6 packages. I will explain you further. So we have a top rating of 4.2% in Just Dial, where the reviews we are getting from the clients, and it's completely a travel package. So we'll get a completed travel. So now I'll log in it and I'll take you inside, and I'll show you here. You can go below. The addresses also you can see here, and what are the links I have shown you. We have got a Facebook link here also. If you click on the Facebook link, it will be redirect you to our Travels and More official Facebook page. Again, you can click here. You can go to the Telegram page, and Instagram page is also available. And again, YouTube is also official YouTube channel is also available. So again, I'll come and I'll first what you have to do. The person who is want to get in the system of the Travels and More, he must have to sign up with one of our referral link. Okay. So how it is referral link? Referral link is that the person who is joining is getting the automated referral link. I will show you just. I've got already referral link, so I will just show you this ID and password. Now this ID and password which I shown you, this is the first ID of the company. TNM 99999 Travels and More first ID where the business started. Now, before showing you the dashboard and it is a very unique dashboard which my mind say that it should be completely transparent, and the person who joined in the system is called as a partner because our first payout is 50%, which is the highest payout. So before that, I will just introduce you with the products and services and holiday packages of our Travels and More system. So there are 6 holiday packages in Travels and More. Basically, the entry level package is wallet package. I have named this with rainbow colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, and orange. So start with the wallet package. Wallet packages cost 3150, where you will get 2 days, 1 night hotel stay as per your choice, and we'll get a cashback here. Okay. Sorry, just 1 second. Yeah, we will get. I'll just click it out. You'll get a cashback here in this package, and 3-day 3 destination, and 1 day 1 destination is you can stay anywhere in India as per your choice. The expiry on the package is not there. You can use it anytime. Only the expiry on cashback is there for the 1 year. But in this COVID situation, we are not getting up the expiry on the cashback also. So in 3150, you can use this hotel with your family and friends and just enjoy it. And after that, whatever the income generates, you can have all this. There are 6 types of income. So I'll show you all that. Indigo package, there are indigo package, blue package, green, yellow, and orange package. All these packages you will get 2 rooms with 2 AC rooms. And these all packages are automated system. This complete concept is designed automatically. Anybody cannot purchase any package with his or her own choice. There is a system where you have to buy a wallet package, fulfill some criteria, then you have to go for an indigo package, then fulfill again some criteria, and then you can go for a blue, green, yellow, and orange package. The other 5 packages are completely optional. It is not compulsory to purchase any of the package. If you understand the deep of the concept or depthness of the concept, then only you can go for the further packages. So here are the packages. You can see all packages are purchased because it's a first idea. All criteria has been completed. Okay, so orange package will see it's cost around 1,05,000. That 5,000 is the GST, 5% GST, and you'll get here 6 days, 5 nights stay hotel. So you can use this hotel from a long way. 11 types of booking criteria, how to book the hotel. In a simple way, I'll tell you, if you just check this 10th point, where you have to just click on the send request button. which package you want to go. I've purchased all of the 6 packages, but which package you want to utilize, go to process, you have to just click on a send request button and put a message on this corner WhatsApp support team number that I have process the send request button. Please kindly book my holiday package. Only simple thing you have to do. Then company support team will call you, or they will exercise the WhatsApp and you will get the holiday package. So here you can see all the 6 holiday package with purchase date, package name, original transaction ID, amount with GST, 5%, voucher date, validity date is 1 year for cashback. Okay, voucher code, promo code which will get, and apart that reimbursement where you will go for a cashback. So you have to fill up this reimbursement form, and apart from that, here is the invoice. So you can see, and when you pay to the company directly online account, will get a company's private limited account with company's Mumbai office and GST number, ROC number, PAN number, TAN number. Here you can see the counter number also. When you purchase the package, what is your counter number? You can see here. You can see invoice date and what you're getting, 2 days, 1 night. All the things will get here. Purely invoice receipt without is a digital receipt. So now we come again to the dashboard. What you see in the dashboard, this one is your copy referral link. Wherever somebody wants to join under you, this link is important. This link will be when you register with this link, the person will join under you, and all the benefits which I'm showing that will be followed under this referral link. Now you can see here total how many people have joined till now. 633 partners. Why they are called partners? Because the first incentive what we are giving it is a 50%. I will show it further. Just I will brief you with the dashboard. There are 6 holiday package. You can see I've already shown you. So you'll get a 6 counters here. What is the meaning to show the counter? I will tell you again further. I just brief you. Violet, 633 people have purchased the Violet package. This is the company total sales counter, and beside that, it is your individual counter. When you purchase, what was the counter? So by default, I've shown you this is the first ID. So 633, the people have purchased Violet counter. From that 633 people, they have fulfilled the criteria and they have purchased the second package. Now they are understand the vision of mine, what I have wanted to do from work from home, how the money will come, how the plan will work. If you get understood for all these things, some are a professional in this field and some are new, so they will take time like 15-20 days to understand this concept. The best way to join this concept is very fast. You have to join this concept, and after that, on this daily webinars, leadership meeting, and Facebook training, you can go on learning. Okay, so first book your place is important. After that, from these 35 partners, 10 people have purchased the blue package, and after the 10 package, green package, 7 partners have purchased the green package. So yellow package also is there and orange package is also there simultaneously. Now, when the system started, exactly everyone want to know, because it have a curiosity when the system and this company started in the market. So here it is, you can see here 9 months, 11 days completed. The start date is 10th August 2020 in the mid of the lockdown. So this process is going somewhat slow, but okay, no issues. We are trusting the belief and branding in work from home, because now it is more and more. Now, if you see, the situation is going worse day by day. So we have to be very much serious in this online business, because everywhere, if you see around in India and world, everything is going online. From tip to top, it is going completely online. Right? So we have to be also part of the online business to get some amount, some money at our home. So we'll start here below. You'll get the type of income, what I'm telling, auto pull and indirect income. It will get your chart here. I will explain this chart, or you can go to the YouTube webinar 10 minutes presentation where you understand this very nicely. Legal documents of the company. It is a private limited company, TNM Voyage Ecom Services Private Limited, where you'll get the ROC number, PAN number of the company, TAN number of the company, and lastly, GST certificate. I'll come to the other point. Now, whatever we pay the TDS also. Now, this is last month's TDS. From August 2020 to till date, we have every month paid TDS to the government. What is that TDS? 5% of the payout. So you can see the 10 number. The amount is paid on 7th of May. April month TDS is paid on next month, which is 5,404 rupees. It is online. Okay. So this TDS we have paid of April month, and whatever the sales, whatever the joinings come online. So you can see here the GST certificate and GST amount. It is all receipts, online receipts. So 7,280 rupees paid April month GST. Now you can see the dashboard above. Whatever the turnover is generating every month, this is the total from started. Okay, in future we'll get a monthly all dashboard. So whatever you're getting here, 5% is going to the GST. And whatever the payout is generated, everybody is getting the payout direct, indirect. So there are two breakups. TDS is 5% and admin is 5%. Now you can see here leaders and managers. Leaders and managers also have a counters. We can say here Travelzone More have a 15 leaders and 2 managers. They will get a weekly royalty. And a weekly royalty, how it generates, I'll show you. So now come below. Now this is your personal dashboard. Above one is a company dashboard. You are getting the outlook of company day-to-day activity. How much people join in the company, what is the current turnover, what is the current withdrawal. Everything you will get on the dashboard. It is updated automatically, where no staff, no admin, not only me is required here. Now we can come here. Now you can see here this package is upgraded. This ID is upgraded to the orange package. Total direct team is 26. Indirect team is in the process. Now auto pull income is very much new in this system. I can explain in a simple way. The auto pull income is first come first basis. When you make a queue in front of the temple, so every person get a to pray the god. Okay, so here it is same, like when every person will get a counter number when he join in each of the packages. Okay, so there is an auto pull system on 4 matrix level, which is distributed on 10 levels. Okay, I'll explain you more brief and furtherly. Now you can say this auto pull is generated on this first ID, which is 97,450 from all 6 packages auto pull. I can say total, what the total payout earned, you can see it here. Direct pending system is also here, indirect pending, both are there, and total net withdrawal which he has taken in the bank. Now here comes the actual compensation plan. I will take you 3 to 4 minutes to explain it. Now you can see here 6 holiday package which I explained you previously: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, and orange. Now first package is 3150. You will get 2 days 1 night anywhere stay, 2 days 1 night with your friends or family. Now, if you purchase this package, if you didn't work, you will get the benefit of the hotel. Only hotel accommodation is there. If you go for a 3-day 3 destination, which we have customized, then you will get a cashback of 1,500 rupees. Other second package is optional in Violet, which is 1 day 1 destination, where you will not get any cashback, but you can go for a nearest hotel from your home, which is anywhere in India. Okay, so if you understand this concept, if you understand, you started learning, training with me, you're attending all the webinars, leadership programs, and Facebook. Main thing is every Saturday I conduct a Facebook workshop, a WhatsApp marketing workshop. These are the tools which are utilizing by the digital marketing people by just sitting at home and selling these packages from all over India. I started 9 months before, and I will just tell you that I have not went any of the friends home. You have joined the 33 members or partners. They have joined through online, via Facebook, via WhatsApp, and via Telegram, and via YouTube. Nobody came to my home, and I never go to anybody's place to understand this plan, because now social media playing a very big role for marketing. Are you getting me? So now we'll start with the packages. Whenever you refer somebody, if he joins under you, you will directly get a 50%, which is very highest payout in India. Okay, I'm giving a 50% package. So your friend will join, or your any referral from a Facebook, or if he registered under you and he purchase the package online, immediately will get a 1,500 rupees. After that, if this person, if there is an n number of direct, you can join the people. For single refer, you will get 1,500 rupees. If you refer 10 people, you will get 15,000 rupees. If you refer 100 people, you will get 1.5 lakh rupees. So direct refer is unlimited. There is no limit. Whatever the direct people will work with you or with me with our all training program, so you will get a 10 level indirect income also. They are working, they are using their own ideas, they are working for their income, but you are the sponsor of them, so you'll get a 10 generation income. Getting my point? So now next is auto pull income. So auto pull income, from every package, 1,500 rupees goes to the direct sponsor, and 800 goes to the 10 people. My above there are total 10 people, which will be the 800 rupees will be distributed to the 10 generation. Then 1,500 plus 800 is goes to total is 2,300. Now you can see here again, auto pull income is 500. From every package, software automatically deduct 500 rupees, which is distributed again to the 10 level by the software on first come first basis. How should we explain? 1 के नीचे 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a 4 matrix plan. 5 will come below 2, 6 will come below 4. It is like that: 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6 to 16 on a third level. Then 17 to 64 on a fourth level, and 256 to 341 on a fifth level. I'll show that chart again. So you can see here auto pull income on every purchase. The person in auto pull is giving the business or not, it doesn't matter. He will get auto pull income up to 10 levels. I'll show the chart. What is the auto pull chart here? Here it goes. So the auto pull chart C. Now, if you make a total of this all 10 levels, the amount is 500 rupees. So when first 4 refers come under your downline, you will get 150 rupees each. So total amount is 600. This is the first installment. Second installment, when you receive level 2, 16 people, you will get 100 from each. So we'll get a 1,600. This auto pull is totally distributed by our software from first come first basis. That's why I've shown you the counter. After 16, the 64 will come below that, 16 for the 64. So you'll get a 65 rupees on each way. So you'll get a third installment of 4160. If you calculate all the 10 levels total income, you will get the amount of 80,10,200 rupees. For that, in your downline, total 13,98,100 holidays package should be sold by the working team. It will take, I can say, we have completed 5 levels. So more 5 levels will take another 5 to 6 here. We can say like that. So it is like auto pull. Same auto pull is there in all 5 packages. So more you go to the higher packages, there are more chances to earn a big income. So this is the actual flavor of the auto pull income. And next is what? It's a indirect income where there is no lapsation. It is the beauty of this concept. Whenever the person join below you, for example, I will show you here. Whenever a person join below you, and if he completed 4 violates, he referred the 4 violates package before you, and he purchased the second Indigo package. So for second Indigo package, the direct referral is 2,500, which will be not lapse, not flush out. It will be stayed in a pending amount. Whenever you purchase the higher package, the below package, the below 50% will automatically get unlocked, and it will be payout for you. Same thing will happen with indirect income. It will be unlocked till you didn't purchase the Indigo package. Same thing will happen to blue, green, yellow, and orange. All the packages are pending. Whenever your direct team go ahead of you, it did not have to worry that you have not purchased the package. Whenever you purchase the package, you will get all these types of income. So there is 0 lapsation and 100% distribution. So now what will happen? The person only getting a wallet package and doing nothing, and he is getting an auto pull. At the time of auto pull withdrawal, he will get the auto pull amount, but at the time of auto pull withdrawal, he has done nothing. So to withdraw the auto pull amount of every package, you can see this auto pull criteria. It's as simple as that. We'll get auto pull income, but to withdraw the auto pull income, you have to fulfill this criteria. So I've shown you the auto pull amount on every package. You can make a total. Royalty is getting to the leaders and managers, which is automatically deducted on every package. You can see here from Violet it is 100, from Indigo is 500, and so on. Now last one is cashback from every package. Now you can see here the total amount. You can total it for Indigo and Blue. I'll just show you of the Violet. 1500 plus 800 is 2300. 2300 plus 500 is 2800. 2800 plus 100 royalty from every package it says 2900, and balance 100 is goes for a cashback. From every 15 person who joined, one person will get a cashback. It will be stayed, the amount will be reserved for him. And where we are getting the holiday package recover of the cost, you can go here in the auto pull system. Auto pull system, you can see the write up here. See, 50% auto debited from the second level only. So what is your second level? Your second level is getting 100 rupees from every package. I will show you for this 2 minutes. See, here is a chart. On every auto pull, see now you want to get your 1600 rupees. So how much will get? 800 rupees. 800 will be recovered for the holiday package. Indigo page, how much you are getting? For Indigo, your second level, you should get 3200. But how much you will get? 50% is deducted for only one time, only from a second level. So 1600 is the cost of your holiday package. Again, the blue package, how much? How are you supposed to get? 16,000. But how much you will get? 50%? 8,000. This is like that where we are getting the, because it's a 100% distribution. So we have to cover the holiday package cost. So this holiday package cost being covered from the auto pull of every second level. Okay. So now we come to the, sorry, I've shown you accounts. Now you can see here accounts, direct account or direct income. Direct, you can see the Violet direct income 1500. You can see the Indigo income also. See here, Indigo income 2500. So it is wherever the package higher, you'll get the 50%. Again, indirect income, your team starts working, will get the indirect income from all 6 packages with their levels. So you can see your name, all the things you can see here. See name, ID, name of the which package he has purchased, from which level you are getting the 100 rupees. 100 rupees is 6th level is 600, and below 4 level 50, it makes around 800 rupees. So this is the indirect income, royalty income. Every week, whenever the leader and managers they get completed, we'll get the royalty, which is distributed from the weekly sales of turnover of the company. Okay. Now we'll come to the auto pull. Auto pull also 1 plus 4 plus 16 chart I will show you. So this is the, you can say automatically you'll get the all auto pull transactions here. So from level 1 to level 5. Now our level 5 is getting completed. Now we come to the payout. The main beauty of this concept is payout. So payout, whenever the payout comes above 1000, it is automatically get green color. See, it is not eligible because it's 0. Above 1000, it's showing withdrawal. Above 1000, showing means equal to 1000, it is showing withdrawal. Now this is the Violet auto income withdrawal. It is also showing same thing, withdrawal. So whenever the amount goes to 1000, you can withdraw it automatically. You can just press the button, one step, it will go to the payout transaction, and company will pay you this transaction within 24 to 40 hours. For that, you need to update your KYC. Your KYC is PAN card, PAN number, Aadhaar number, checkbook copy, or passbook copy. You have to upload it. So this is the payout. You will see here the total amount, and you will see all the kinds of incomes you get payout. So now after that, you will show you the achiever list. The people who become the leaders, the partners who become the leaders and managers, their names, their photos will be displayed on this login section, where you will come to know from where the leaders are working in our Travels and More company. So this is the completely plan which I showed in a short way. Trimepers cannot cover everything in this one webinar because we have a time slot also. So now I just want to say you, this is a completely unique pack I have designed to people who want to work from home, we want to generate more and more income. Because the situation today is that we cannot go outside. The government also told us maximum time. If you want to be safe, or if you want to be alive, you have to be stay at home. That is the main thing. So now I will show you the last chart of this. Just 1 second, I'll show you the chart. See, this is the chart of octuple income. Just cover this last one. See now. Now our total wallet octuple counter is 633 counter we have got in the dashboard. It's completely transparent. You will understand. See now the total of this 500 is distributed on 10 levels. So first level will be getting 4 people. The first ID is travels and more. So when I started, I get 4 people. You can say partner, you can say unknown person from Facebook. So we can make a team of 5. So our counter was 5 and it is complete on same day when we started 10th August. Then with 5 people, 5 as a team partners started to bring 16 people to show all this concept and plan. Yeah. So our counter was 21. Again, this is also completed on same day when we started 10th August 2020. So 64, 16 for the 64, here comes it. 85, 85 we brought 256 people or holiday packages, sale of holiday packages, which got a total of 341. Now 341 plus 1024, 256 multiplied by 4 is 1024. So now when our counter complete 1365, now it is in progress because we have completed 633. Whenever you get 1365 counter completed, these people with 341 people will already get 600 rupees as the first auto pool. Above 85 people will get a second auto pool, which is 1600. Even 21 people will get third auto pool, which is 4160. And these 5 people will get fourth is 16,640. And the person first sitting as a travels and more as a management will get as a 40,960. So these 5 levels, we have our 5 levels in the progress. So expected this 1365 should be complete by our first anniversary, which is 10th August 2021. So more 5 levels will be expecting like 13,98,100 holiday package will be sold in a fast way when our lockdown gets smoother, loose, and people start going to the hotels because all hotels are empty. If you see everything goes fine, the most full-on business will go of the people who want to just sitting from the last 1.5 years, just want to go with the family, with the friends, and because we are very much stressed and sitting at home. The person who has getting the online business like me, I am very happy because my time has get in work. I'm not my mind is not idle, so I can work here and I can enjoy with my friends, relatives, and I can explain the plan. But understand the person who has nothing to earn. So what will happen to him? Will it become crazy? So this is the way I just want to show you. Travel Jammer concept is totally designed with thinking as a common man to earning opportunity, and this is totally online opportunity where he can earn with his friends, family, and as a team. It is a income of multiplication. Just understand. Now what you are earning, it is a traditional. You are earning alone. What I am earning with this 633 people. They are earning for their own. They are not earning for me. But indirectly, as a team, we are earning for all of us. And we are helping each other. If you see in traditional business, nobody helps each other. They don't show the secret. So here I have in dashboard, I have shown you all the USP of the Travels and More business, which is how much turnover of the company, how much partners have. If you want to upgrade the second package, third package, fourth package, you can see what counter. If you want to go Thank you, everyone. This is the English presentation which I tried. My English is not very good, but I tried as much as to explain in an easy way of Travels and More. I hope you understand everything and start with me in a simple language. So Arjunji, you can continue with this, and if anybody have got anything to say or any queries, you can continue. Thank you, everyone.
थैंक यू सो मच सर, थैंक यू। तो दोस्तों, जैसे कि अभी आपने देखा है, सर ने बहुत अच्छे से एक सरल लैंग्वेज में हमें इंग्लिश में भी बहुत अच्छे से प्लान को डिटेल्स में बताया है ना। जिसको इंग्लिश नहीं आती वो भी एक बार अगर इस वेबिनार को अगर देखेगा या इस प्रेजेंटेशन को देखेगा तो उसको भी बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगा। दोस्तों, कुछ नहीं है, बहुत बहुत ही पूरी तरह से ट्रांसपेरेंट सिस्टम है, और जिस हिसाब से सर ने हमें बताया है तो बहुत अच्छा लगा है। तो मैं सभी से आग्रह करूंगा, रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि एक बार इस सिस्टम को जरूर स्टडी करिए, है ना। दोस्तों, लाइफ में मौके बार बार नहीं मिलते हैं, तो एक बार जरा इसको आप एक न्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, आपके एक लाइफ का नया एक टर्निंग समझ कर इसको एक बार आप जरूर सोचिएगा। तो चलिए दोस्तों, बाकी आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप अपना हैंड राइज कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज मेरे हिसाब से तो ऐसे कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं बचता, क्योंकि सर ने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करा है और एक एक चीज हमें पूरी की पूरी ट्रांसपेरेंट दिखाई है सर ने, पूरा डैशबोर्ड से लेकर सारी चीजें। तो चलिए दोस्तों, मिलते हैं हम नेक्स्ट वेबिनार में। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you, Arjunji.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।